Welcome to another lesson of Microsoft PowerPoint. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can add in tables, draw tables, and later I'm going to show you about the image section. So first off, I'm going to show you how you can make tables. First off, what you're going to do is click on tables, go to insert, click on tables, insert table, 6 and 7 rows. Hit on OK, and you can see 6 column and 7 rows have been added. Now what I'm going to show you is going to be drawing a table. If you want to draw a table, you can also do that. Let's say I'm going to draw a table like this, and you can see a table has been added. Now I'm going to do it again. Click on draw table. You can add in your own type of table, and you can see your table has been added like this, and you can also organize it according to your desire and also change the location. Now what I'm going to show you is going to be the last one of table, which is going to be Excel spreadsheet, as we're done with all of those. When you click on Excel spreadsheet, a small version of Excel spreadsheet will open up in Microsoft PowerPoint, and then you can add in your data right over here. And you can eventually also use Excel functions and formulas over here. But if you are done with it, just click on over here, click on delete or press on escape, and that will be basically it, and you will get back to PowerPoint interviews. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can add images and also screenshots and also photo albums. So what I'm going to do is click on pictures. If you want to add in pictures from your device, just click on this device. If you want to add in photos from stock, you can also do that. You can also use online pictures. So I'm going to show you online pictures first. You have to stay connected to the internet, and it's going to load up for a while and show you all of the online photos Microsoft Office has to offer. Okay, you can select them according to your desire and also according to your need, and you can use any of them and just press on insert, and that will be basically it. Now I'm going to also show you about the stock images, which is also quite the same. I'm going to click on it, and you will see also the same kind of images will appear over here. You can just select on them and press on insert, and those will appear up. If you want different type of things, let's say I'm going to search for something. Let's say I want cakes. Hit on enter, and all of the cakes will appear over here, and you can select whichever one you want and press on insert. Now if you're done, just press on OK, and that will be basically it. Now I'm going to click on insert on pictures again, and I'm going to show you how you can add photos from your PC. I'm going to click on desktop where I have my photos. I'm going to do is click on over here, press on insert, and you will see that photo will appear up on your screen. Okay, you can resize it according to your desire. You can also delete it. I'm going to show you how you will be able to add more photos. So I'm going to click on this device, click on the photos, select whichever one you want, press on insert, and that will be basically it. So I accidentally used the same photo again. I'm going to show you another photo. Let's say I'm going to use this, and you can see another photo will be applied. Okay, that is how you'll be able to add in your type of photos and however you want, however contents you want. Okay, now what I'm going to show you is going to be screenshots. If you want to add screenshots, just click on screenshot, screen clipping, and it's going to be on the the screen which you're gonna have. You can use this photo over here, and it will appear right over here. I'm gonna delete it. Let's say I'm gonna use this option. Okay, I'm gonna go to my web browser, which I use Pixels, which is also royalty free. You can download photos from here. I'm gonna minimize it. I'm gonna click on over here and then press on PowerPoint. I'm gonna click on insert, click on screenshot, screen clipping. So the window which is going to be right below it, you will be able to add that screenshot. Okay, so now you know how you'll be able to add photo and also screenshot. If you want to add photo album as slides, you can also do that. Click on photo album, click on new photo album. You can add in photos now. I'm going to click on file disk, and you'll be able to select all of those. Let's say I'm going to click on this. Okay, I'm going to click on control, select these ones. Let's say I'm going to click on this and press on insert, and all of them will appear over here. Now you can also organize them according to your desire. Okay, even you can organize them like 1 to be true and 2 to be 3. Okay, all of them to be over here. Let's say I'm going to select on 3, and I want it to appear on the first one. I'm going to click on up, and it will appear on the first one. If I want the second one to be appeared on the fourth one, I can also do that. That is also going to be up to my desires. You have to just select on them, and eventually if you want to delete them, you can also do that. Let's say I'm going to deselect this one, and I want this one to be on the fourth one. You can also do that. If you want to increase the contrast, brightness, and all of those, you can do it directly from over here. You can eventually rotate the photo too. Next thing what I'm going to show you is going to be new text box. If you want to add in new text box, you can also do that. Then what you can do is select the layout. Let's say 4 pictures altogether. You can also do that. If you want to do that, Okay, next what I'm going to do is frame shape. If you want to change the shape, let's say I'm going to keep it to be black, you can also do that. Okay, you can also press or select the theme, select on browse, and you can select whichever theme you want, and all is going to be up to you. If you want to caption all the photos below, you can also do that, and all the photos will be captioned. If you want to add all photos black and white, you can also keep it to be something like that, and all the photos will turn into black and white. Okay, so everything is going to be up to your desire. Okay, so I don't want all of them together. I want to do is fit to slide. That is going to be it. I'm going to click on create, and it will take a bit of time, and then you will see all of them will appear like this and slides. Okay, and the last one is text box. You can add in your text right here, and that is basically it on how you will be able to make your photo album in Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so now you are now able, or you have the idea of tables and also images. So hope you guys understood everything about this lesson on adding tables, drawing tables, Excel sheet, inserting tables, pictures, screenshots, and photo album. So thank you for watching this video and also staying with us.